good day. So today maghihimo kitahin or magtitigang na kita pag construct naton vermicomposting house. So ini ang pinaka-importante na factor din na aton farm or din na aton ginbibuild na organic farm. Amin ang pinaka-importante naton na kami ada kita ni kay ang aton purpose is mag-build in organic farming. So kinahanglan naton hin organic fertilizer or an vermicast para naton gagamiton di farm. So nuhulat ko lang namon panday kay nakuha ni Ramitros para tikangan na namon. So yan na, maghahalo kami para makapag tikang na kami didihan division. So bertundla.
Right now you're sitting there frustrated. You're looking at your life, your situation, and you're asking, why is it happening for me? Why am I still struggling? Where is my success? You work, you grind, you put in the effort, and yet nothing seems to be moving the way you want it to. And because of that, you're doubting everything. You're doubting yourself, doubting your abilities, and worst of all, you're doubting God's plan for you. But let me tell you something that most people will never understand. God knows exactly what He's doing. You don't have what you want right now because you're not ready for it. I know that's hard to hear. Your ego doesn't want to accept it. You want to believe that you're already built for success, that you deserve it right now today, but that's the difference between winners and losers. Winners understand that the process is the test.
Palat.
Easy come, easy go. Where your blessing. Do you even know what to do with it?
So good day. Nagakakautot ro kitahin. Another usa ako dito nga baras para naton gagamiton han pagiinuhan pag-flooring naton journey house. So wala natong karga. Balik-balik kita dinhi kalagyan. Kaya!
Because without the suffering, they wouldn't be ready. Without the discipline, they'd break under pressure. You're in training right now. And every setback, every challenge, every moment when you feel stuck, it's part of God's way of sharpening you.
Bungguan nila itong kahoy ah. Si, bungguan nila. Okay, agi. So, dili naton vermi house. Adi naton balayhan manukan. Siya malagyap. Nagdamon lang kung lapak.
But only if you don't give up. See, most people want results now. They want shortcuts. They want to wake up one day and have everything fall into place without the years of work, the discipline, the sacrifice. But that's not how God works. He doesn't hand out blessings to people who aren't ready. He doesn't reward impatience. He rewards those who trust the process, put in the work, and prove they can handle the weight of success. Ask yourself, do you really think you're ready for everything you're asking for? Do you really believe you've done everything necessary to hold on to what you want? Or are you just chasing the fantasy of success without doing the real work required to sustain it? Because here's the truth, the waiting is part of the plan. The delay isn't a denial, it's a setup. God isn't holding you.
So, yun. Amo na diyan aton day 1 han pag-build naton han aton vermicomposting facility farm project didihan Fidel and Merced Agricultural Farm. So, anaton vermihan is compose yahin upat na kwarto 1, 2, 3, 4. So amo ini na trabaho naton sa kuban usa ka adlaw after matapos na naton free range chicken house. So buwas is magdugang pa kamihin usa pa na kapatong na hollow blocks and puploringan namon para matapos na ini diri. Estimated ko mga 3 days matapos namon ini and mabalhin na ako dito na akong ibaluat na trabahoon. So that's it la na yana kita guys. That's it na po. Kita yana ang adlaw kanatong first day. Mapahuway na kami kay medyo damo na namon na trabaho ng adlaw. So mag-relax na kami maguti para buwas makatiro kami in energy and makagpadayong kita na aton mga plano. So thank you and good day ha aton nga tanan.